True Peace Kings. Amazon expands contactless in-store palm biometrics. AWS develops voice authentication. Peep the slang, man. Amazon One allows customers to check in without the need for a mobile QR code. Peep the slang, man. Customers will soon be able to check into a Seattle Amazon Go store using only their palm scan. Amazon is rolling out more of its Amazon One palm biometrics scanners as it integrates the devices in additional Seattle stores. The scanners, Amazon entry into the access control market first introduced in September 2020, will allow customers to check into Amazon Go retail stores via touch-free palm scanning. The company introduced the new scanners as an alternative to their mobile app's QR code, which was until recently the main method for checking into stores. With this latest rollout, three more Seattle Amazon Go stores will feature the new devices. The Amazon Go store located at 1122 Madison Street already features the scanners, and two more locations at 925th Avenue and 1906 Terry Avenue are set to launch them in the coming weeks. That will bring Amazon to a total of 8 stores across Seattle with biometric readers integrated. This initial phase tests the Palm Reader's functionality for future large-scale implementation of the devices in office buildings and large venues such as sport arenas. While Amazon's Palm Biometric initiative is meant to become a secure way to ease the check-in process, GeekWire also predicts that it might raise further privacy and security concerns. Amazon is already facing legal issues regarding biometric privacies in federal court. New Voice ID promises easy and cost-efficient integration for contact centers. Peep the slang, man. Amazon Web Service, AWS, has meanwhile introduced its own text-independent voice biometric solution, Amazon Connect Voice ID, to meet the demand among call centers for voice authentication, writes Opus Research. The newest addition to the Amazon Connection platform promises to be an expensive, and easy to implement alternative to third-party authentication solutions currently offered on it. Users of Amazon cloud-based contact center Connect can now integrate voice biometric thanks to Amazon's new Voice ID API. The service provides vendors a low-cost option to authenticate users based on a unique voice print, priced at mere 0.025 per enrollment and authentication. Voice ID presents a viable voice authentication solution for vendors of any size. Amazon Connect Voice ID is AWS in-house version that will compete with third-party voice biometric solutions such as Aria Systems and Nomodio selling Oculab, and UK-based provider VoiceKey already feature on its platform, according to an overview provided by Simnex Consulting. Voice ID can be easily integrated with a few steps through Amazon Connect's graphical editor. The service is also promised to run seamlessly thanks to Connect's updated contact center control panel. Voice ID uses machine learning to authenticate callers based on a pre-recorded 30-second natural speech sample. As Voice ID is considered text independent, a user does not need to utter any specific phrase to be authenticated. The solution then takes another 10-second sample every time a customer calls from there on to compare it against the original 30-second voice print. According to Opus Research, while this new microservice will likely be a suitable component for multi-factor authentication, it might not suffice as a single factor authentication method. Peep the slang, man.